Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Shortcuts Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta and broccoli in garlic sauce. It's so delicious. I will show you how to do it in a quick way. So let's get started. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. First of all, I'm going to mince my garlic and jalapeno in my small grinder and make pot of boiling water and add 6 spoons of salt, 6 to 7 spoons of salt, and add your broccoli there to the boiling water and let it blanch for a minute, not more than that. So after a minute, take it away and then wash it with nice cold water. Give a nice bath to that broccoli. We don't want it to continuously cooking. And then you can see the broccoli difference, dark green, that is the blanched broccoli, and the other green, like dull green, that is the fresh broccoli. So when you blanch like that in the salt water, it's give a vivid color like that. And also at the same time boil your pasta according to the instructions and filter it and then wash with the cold water and keep aside. So add 2 tablespoons of oil and then mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 cup of water. So we add the minced garlic and the jalapeno here and let it fry for a few minutes. And then add 1 chicken stock. It's up to you. You can add the vegetable stock or however you like. So it was frying for around 2 minutes, I think 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of milk. You can add skim milk. I'm adding 2% milk. And then add the cornstarch, 1 cup we mixed with the water. So and then add pepper to your taste, salt to your taste. So this will get thickened very quickly, so don't leave the stove and move away. So keep it mixing, it will get thickened very quickly. So we are going to fold our pasta to this pot. So remove it from the heat now and fold the pasta in. And now you can put your broccoli and fold in too. So we will add our broccoli too now. And fold it carefully without breaking the broccoli. And then take trays. You can take however the size you like and then lay on the trays. And then now if you like, you still can add some pepper at this point and then put lots of cheese, mozzarella or whatever cheese you like, Parmesan or whatever you like. Just fill it nicely with the cheese and then put in the broiler for 5 to 6 minutes till the cheese all get cooked nicely and get like a little bit of brownish color. $375, I think my broiler is set for this one. So this is my pasta and broccoli in garlic sauce with hint of jalapeno. Please give it a try. I just can't tell you how good it is. It is so nice. And let me know your feedback till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.